If you are on the 7-night treasure cruise, you're gonna get 2 nights with 2 different experiences and 2 different menus when you dine at the Marvel restaurant. We are so excited to see what it has in store for us tonight, what the show is, who the characters are. It is a mystery. So let's go check it out. I wanna put this somewhere. Me too.
Beverage already. I'm ready. Why is it? It's a big photo. Well, his arm kept getting it.
The Marvel dining experience here on the Disney Treasure. I'm going to say everything that I'm going to order, so when I show it, you know exactly what it is that I ordered. For my drink, I got the Flora Colossus Cooler, and then this is what I'm going to order for my main meals. For my appetizer, I'm going to order the Malaysian chicken satay. For a soup, I'm going to order the lobster bisque. For my main meal, there's 2 options that I just can't choose between, so I'm going to order both. It's going to be the plant-based soba noodle bowl and the beef Wellington. They look delicious. And then for dessert, I am going to order the celebration cake because it came highly recommended by our waitress. So we are ready for this meal. It all looks so good. But when you dine here twice, you're going to get 2 different menus and 2 different experiences. So we are just thrilled to be here, and it already is. The bread and the dipping sauce it comes with has already been amazing.
It's not bad.
It's different. Tastes like a spa.
Right. It's not what I expected.
Yes.
I'm not quite sure how you humans have fun, but I do know I love following a rigid schedule of predetermined events, algorithmically chosen to elicit the most joy.
I'm very excited for this.
Oh, good. It's okay. He'll give me a video.
All right, I'm on the appetizer. This is chicken satay with a peanut sauce and rice. It's a hefty appetizer.
Incredible. I already started eating, sorry. But
That is good flavor. So while you're eating appetizers here at World of Marvel Dining Rotation, they do trivia up on the wall, and then you get to play with your family and compete against other tables while you're here in the restaurant. So it's a way to keep the kids engaged and have family fun activities. Everyone put your phones away and just enjoy your meal, which at the appetizer was incredible. I already ate. I cannot believe more food is coming because that was enough for a full meal. All right, they just brought me the lobster bisque. It looks nice and creamy. Let's see how it tastes. That might be the best lobster bisque I've ever had. All right, so now I have my noodle bowl. Check it. There's a lot in here. This is my first main dining course that I wanted to try. Flavorful, delicious. That's amazing. The food here is incredible, like above and beyond. All right, now I've moved on to the beef Wellington. Let's give it a bite.
What movie is this in?
It's at the end of the first one.
Guardians?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, never mind.
This is amazing.
Drumline?
It really is. All right, now we have the celebration cake. This came highly recommended by our waitress. So let's dig in. There's fresh strawberries in there. This is a fried cheesecake, and it is delicious.
Look at this. They matched perfectly.
This is not positive.
Next you have the, you know, that thing, you know, the
Going in with Jesse, because that will give me at least 10 minutes.
never, dude.
What was the question? I didn't see the
Spider-Man,
question.
We don't know. That's good.
Yeah, and look, the Kim particle thing reacts.
How many total Infinity Stones are there?
You guys know? You guys know? 6. Oh, I was about to pick it up. I am Groot.